When I grow up, I want to be. What do you want to be when you grow up? There are so many things that you can be. You might want to work in the field of law. You could be a police officer, a judge, or a lawyer. Maybe you'd like to work in the food industry. You could be a cook, a waitress, or a chef. Perhaps you would want to do room service in a hotel or manage a hotel dining room. Maybe show business is what you'd like to be involved in. You could act in television shows or movies. You could sing or play an instrument in a band. If you like to help people, you could go into medicine. You could be a doctor, a nurse, or a surgeon. Maybe you would rather be a teacher. You could teach in a primary school, a high school, or a university. There are hundreds of other jobs to choose from too. You might want to fix cars or work in a store. You could be a dentist, a veterinarian, a janitor, or a zookeeper. The possibilities are endless.